You're hosting your condo association meeting and would like to serve something delicious and easy, as well as budget friendly. Well, we got you covered here at A Side Guy Cooks with Chicken Fajita Nachos. So let's get started. Let's prepare the Fajita Seasoning. Now let's prepare the chicken. Use your favorite bell pepper. Time to build the nachos. Set your timer for 10 minutes. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Nachos originated in Mexico at the US-Mexican border in 1941. Those look great right out of the oven. Top them with a little bit of parsley. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get a portion on a plate. Let's try some of these amazing chicken fajita nachos. Wow, the combination of chicken fajitas, tortilla strips, cheese, sour cream, guacamole, and jalapenos creates a wonderful experience. Join the community, leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like the table's ready. And it didn't break the bank. Stay with us, watch another video.